we do a lot of project-based, learning interventions. So most of our high-level learning interventions always end with a project so that the learners have the opportunity to actually apply the learnings and see the results for themselves. So even if you are, your learning includes certain soft skills, we ensure that this is built as an experience to certain projects which are more organization based, so that the projects are relevant to the organization and something that the organization immediately benefits from, or probably you see the benefits over a shorter period of time. At the same time, we ensure that the learners are able to capitalize on the skills that they have learned and ensure that they derive a better performance, right? So this is something that we've really implemented in Royal Sundaram, and we've seen a lot of success out of it.
That's an excellent idea of project-based learning. So what, just to reiterate on what you were saying, if I as an employee have learned how to acquire new skills, post which I will be part of a project that may indirectly or directly be related to the skills or the upskilling basically that I have achieved. Is that
absolutely?
Yeah.
Either it will relate to the skill if it is a very functional based or very knowledge based learning, or it has to ensure that that skill is a part of the project. For example, if I have learned, or if I have upskilled when it comes to collaboration or when it comes to relationship building, I have ensured that we have our learner participants put in projects where they have to work in groups. So these ensure, that, you are actually using those collaborative skills while working with other people. Your project stays relevant to something that the organization wishes to achieve, which means it stays relevant to the functional objective or the overall strategic objectives that the organization wants to kind of derive as an outcome.